This is a real milestone for us, and particularly Kalfresh as a business. Things are going to fundamentally change here. I think that's worth celebrating.
The Ag Precinct is our agricultural industrial hub, so it allows us and businesses like us to set up in a purpose-built area. The centrepiece of this is the bioenergy hub. It's a cogeneration facility, so a lot of the activity we do here today, and as you do more of it and you do more value adding of products, you end up with a lot of waste. You add bacteria, it creates gas that can then be made into power. And
it can be used in vehicles, can be used in trucks, buses, transportation.
It's a really well-established business overseas, so we're bringing that to Queensland. We live in this fantastic state, has a lot of good water, good soil. It's the perfect recipe for bioenergy. We have to build rock-solid foundations for very big factories. They're fully automated. It's all action stations here, and even this is going to put millions back into the local economy, just building the foundations to build the buildings that run the business. These are, they're low-cost operating, but they're massive capital projects. We realised early on we couldn't do this by ourselves, so the state government reached out to us, actually, and they said, look, these sort of projects are important, and we really want to do it. We called them. So they came in and helped us, all the planning approvals, all the work you've got to do. We've sold part of our business to QIC and Wollemi Capital. You got to give a little to get a lot, and they've put significant funds in. There's $80 million that they've given us.
At QIC, we look for investments that really drive economic growth across Queensland. What drew us to the Kalfresh investment is agriculture is a really significant sector in Queensland, and we saw it as an extension of that industry into biofuels, which is a really important agenda item for the state.
It's important for all of us to recognise that what Richard and the Kalfresh team are doing is it's the first time that's ever been done in Australia. We're so proud and excited about partnering with Richard and the team.
And this is the creation of a new industry. And we talk biofuels, but this is renewable gas. The application for renewable gas is significant.
Look, one big part of a project like this is you kind of bring more skilled people into a regional area. You need engineers, you need people who deal with different things than we do on the farm. So they kind of upskill the whole town, and in reality that is regional development to me.
The thing we noticed about these projects when they become really successful, they're really successful when the community's happy. Like we're not taking land out of production, we're making it more productive. As soon as we can, we want to put renewable energy into the local grid and turn our local area 100% renewable.
We love the idea of us being Australia's dominant or leading provider of bioenergy. What an exciting vision to have. Small steps first. We need to get this right, but I'm confident that we will.